Morning students. So in this particular lesson we are going to solve theorem of transitivity from chapter number 2 Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this theorem, which is theorem of transitivity, is showing the similarity in right angle triangle. Okay, so suppose there is a right angle triangle ABC I have drawn here. Okay, in this triangle angle B is 90-degree and I have drawn an altitude of this particular triangle, okay, which is intersecting the hypotenuse. Okay, so BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Okay, then in such a case the ratio, or sorry, in such a case these three triangles, triangle ABD, triangle BDC and triangle ABC, both, oh sorry, all the three triangles are going to be similar to each other and we have to prove this. So what is the statement of the theorem? In a right angled triangle, okay, in a right angled triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. So in a right angle triangle, if an altitude is taken, okay, drawn on the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are going to be similar to the original triangle, okay, and to each other. So we have to prove this. So first we will write down the given. So the given is, what is given to us? That in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to 90-degree. Okay, this is given. And what else is given? That BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, now what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD, and it is also similar to triangle BDC. Okay, so all the three triangles are similar to each other. We have to prove this. Okay, so proof. First I will take in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, now angle BAC is congruent to angle BAD. एंगल बी ए सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल बी ए डी. कैसे मिल रहा है? कॉमन एंगल है. क्या है ये? कॉमन एंगल है. सो एंगल बी ए सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल बी ए डी. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन? कॉमन एंगल. ओके, देन angle ABC is congruent to angle ADB. एंगल ABC और एंगल ADB दोनों भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. रीजन क्या है? देखो, एंगल ABC 90 डिग्री है हमारा और एंगल ADB ये भी क्या है? 90 डिग्री है, क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलरिटी आपको देखने मिल रही है BD और AC में, तो ये एंगल भी क्या होगा हमारा? 90 डिग्री होगा. सो बोथ क्या है? बोथ द एंगल्स आर 90 degree. So both 90 degree angles. Okay, so as the two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, so we can write, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABT. Okay, by AA test, by AA test. Okay, I will take this as equation 1. Okay, then I will take in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Okay, first I have taken ABC and ABD. Now I will take ABC and BDC. So in triangle ABC and in triangle DBC. Okay, now now we can take angle ACB. Angle ACB is congruent to angle DCB. What I can take? Angle ACB is congruent to angle DCB. What is the reason? Both the angles are common. Okay, so we can take common angle. Okay, now angle ABC, angle ABC is congruent to angle BDC, angle BDC. Now in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree, and in the smaller triangle, that is BDC, angle D is 90 degree. As both the angles have same measurement, that is 90 degree, we can state that both the angles are congruent. So again, the two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, so we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle AB, sorry, in similar triangle DBC. Okay, I will take this as equation 2. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write, okay, the LHS of both the equation, triangle ABC. So LHS is same, hence the RHS is also same. So we can take triangle ABD is similar to triangle DBC. So this is our equation 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can state that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD and it is similar to triangle BDC. So all the three triangles, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD is similar to triangle DBC. Okay, and this particular equation is called as transitivity. It is called as transitivity. Hence the name of the theorem is theorem of transitivity. Okay, so your homework is you have to write down this particular theorem in your notebook. In the next lecture we will study theorem of geometric mean and Pythagoras theorem. Okay, thank you.